Hi friends, myself SOHAM Ramnani.
And myself Roma Ramnani.
Welcome to Roma Arts.
Discover a talent in you. The material required is some watercolor cakes, watercolor tubes, a brush, a paper, a normal paper, TK sheet or any drawing book sheet you can take, cartridge sheet you can take. Just dilute the yellow color, mix it properly. After mixing, just clean the tip of the brush. Now dip the tip in this orange color. First I'll show you with two colors. Just keep the brush, hold it vertically, open it like a fan, lift the tail point, see it again, take yellow, clean the tip, take little orange and take little, very little. If you take little, the yellow also will be clear. So here the red is finished, so orange is not coming. So again I will dip in yellow, take little orange, lift the tail point and rotate the brush, dip it in yellow, take little orange, repeat it once more. Now I'll take green.
Brush pieces. Is this basic of one stroke painting?
It's the basic of brush stroke, or you can say one stroke also. I am taking yellow and green together.
Where can we use this?
These patterns can be used wherever you need, on fabric, on paper, on canvas. Now I have taken blue with green, so it's coming darker effect. Little green and blue together, so the leaves will come more darker effect. So